Good morning, wonderful students. Here are today's step-by-step tour slides, if you will, for how to navigate. The first thing, again, that you should absolutely do is go ahead and pause this video so that you can do the daily check-in, okay? All right. Other things you can do are that you can read today's morning message. There is a word challenge on there for you. You can also click the activity for today, the floss dance, or you can save that in between subjects when you feel like you need a little bit of a break. And you can give someone at home a super duper hug. Super duper. Could be your brother, your sister, your pet, mom, dad, whoever you like. Or even just a big stuffed animal you have at your house. Okay? Second slide, here is today's agenda. We are going to be doing, we're watching another video today in math. This one Mrs. Curtis helped make for us. And then you're going to be doing the day 3 of At the Box Office. Of course, as always, you can definitely play some games on ABCya or Connected, or I know some of you are now using iReady. For reading, I have another video for you today, and you're going to be using text features and taking notes on the different subtopics that you chose. For writing, you're going to be doing the character change box for the dot, and then there is the social studies optional activity for today, which would be to continue your virtual field trip to Yellowstone National Park, and maybe even reading some books that are on Epic linked to that slide. So let's go through this a little bit more. Today's Spirit Day is Pajama Day. I know most days during distance learning have probably been pajama days, but today it's official. So feel free to wear fun, comfy pajamas, cuddle up with a pet or stuffed animal today. You can read, of course, any fiction story that you have yourself, or take your device and read those nonfiction books cuddled up somewhere with your animal friends. Okay? Here is reading for today. Again, our goal is still to research a topic, which you picked on Monday, identify subtopics, which you did yesterday, and the rest of this week is focused on taking notes, okay? So while you're reading, you're going to be taking notes. There is a teacher video that models that here for you, okay? Some sample notes are on the next slide, which are the notes that are taken in the video about penguins. Okay, and they look like this. Props to Miss R for finding this cute little gif of Mumble. So this is habitat and behaviors. That was my subtopic, and today I just focused on that, and I wrote some notes for each one that you can go ahead and read. Again, if you're not using the graphic organizer yet and you would like to, you can print out a copy here or continue to use lined paper or whatever it is you're taking notes on. Okay? If you forgot your topic, I do still have those listed for you, so go ahead, remember what it is, and then those are the collections that you're going to read from based on your topic, okay? As I'm looking at this, I am going to add on here a text feature review video so that you guys have some access to that a little later, okay? Now I'm reformatting during my video. Sorry. Okay, let's move on. Today I have added for you chapter 25 of Because of Winn-Dixie. This is the second to last chapter of the book, and again, props to Miss Mulehall this time for recording the story, because unfortunately I left my book at school, so I don't have it. So she's recording them, and here's a fun way that you can continue to follow along in the story. On to math. Again, you're going to need to print today's inventory sheet for day 3. And then you're going to watch this video from Mrs. Curtis, where she is going to review fraction circles, comparing fractions, and things like that. Again, there have been helpful videos right on the At the Box Office slides, and you can continue to use those and revisit them as well. But otherwise, this is pretty simple on what you've been doing most of the week. Writing. For today, you are going to again start by watching this video where I kind of model and get you started thinking about that third box, which is character change for the dot. The dot is still attached here, and I also added two other things today. There are two different character trait charts that you can choose from. You can use them digitally, print them out. You should have copies of these in your PAL if you have those at home as well. So I did choose the second one, and this is just a picture from the one part of that chart that I used in my video. Okay, so continue to take notes and fill in the third square for your character change box today. Okay. As always, there are the optional science and the optional social studies slides. Again, if you have not done the social studies, at least use Google Maps. I did again create another video for you, but it's just fun. I know that you love it, and even if you don't want to explore Yellowstone National Park, find somewhere else. I know many of you missed out on your spring breaks and your travel plans this weekend because of the quarantine, and I think it would be really fun if you kind of virtually went on that trip and got to explore a little bit anyway. Okay? Have a great day.